This is Module 3, Lesson 9 homework, and this is just more adding of fractions. And what we're doing is kind of getting away from using the fraction models, because as you'll see, some of these are getting quite large, and adding with the fraction models is getting harder and harder to count for the kids. So if we, for instance, do letter C, 2/9 plus 5/6, well, we could do that one. This is how we would do it. So this could easily be 18, and a fraction model wouldn't be too big for that one. But as you see, when you get to letter B, your common denominator is going to be 55 here. So you're not going to want to build a fraction model with 55 boxes in it. It would just be too hard to count. Let's just do that one. So if I have 3/5 plus 1/11, we go ahead and set up our problem first. So 3/5 times something over something plus 1/11 times something over something. And when we build our parentheses this way, we're saying that we are going to multiply 3/5 and 1/11 by something that's going to get us a common denominator. So first thing we have to do is decide what is the lowest common denominator between 5 and 11. So what's the lowest number that both of those numbers both go into? In this case, it's going to be 55. So I kind of have told the kids to then set up their bottom fraction here and put 55 under there, because they know they're trying to find a common denominator. So now we have to ask ourselves, what do I have to multiply 5 by to get 55? Well, I know that I have to multiply 5 by 11 to get 55. Then I go over here and I say, what do I have to multiply 11 by to get 55? I know that it has to be 5. So I would multiply that fraction by 5 over 5. And then we can go ahead and solve the rest of the problem. We've already done the multiplication for the denominators, and we should make sure that they match up. So 5 times 11 is 55, and 11 times 5 is 55. Now, 3 times 11 is 33, and 5 times 1 is 5. So now we can add those together. We have 38/55. And that's how we would set up those problems. When we go over here to mixed numbers, you could do it a variety of ways. One of the ways that I see it working best for the kids right now is there's two ways. They can either say 1 plus 1/3 times something over something plus 3/4 times something over something. You know you're going to have 1 plus something plus something. We need to choose a common denominator. Well, the common denominator between 3 and 4 would be 12. So we'll put our 12s there. Now we know this is going to be multiplied by 4 over 4 and 3 over 3 to get our denominators to 12. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we can say we have 1 plus 13/12, which really equals 1 plus 12 12 plus 1 12, which equals 2 and 1